BL Industries IPC line. BL is the leading Israeli company in the field of hydraulic system design and production. Our company's expertise is in the design and manufacture of advanced computer-controlled hydraulic pressing systems that are the most technologically advanced in the world today. We would like to introduce our IPC line of powder compacting presses. Pressing capacity, 15 tons to 300 tons. The IPC automatic compacting press is designed for the production of precision parts made from composites, hard metal, and ceramics. The press operates by the withdrawal procedure and consists of closed-loop, controlled axes with servo-hydraulic cylinders driving the upper punch, die, and filling shoes. At BL Industries, we have 9 years of experience in manufacturing all kinds of pellets that are used in thermal batteries. These presses were designed to meet strict demands of leading thermal battery developers and have special features including plus/minus 3 micron filling height accuracy, 17 seconds cycle time for a single layer, 2-layer pressing in 35 seconds cycle time while using a vacuum cleaner to prevent powder mixing. Pressing according to force or position demands, plus/minus 3 micron punch position accuracy, multi-cavity option, possibility to change programmable data on the fly, real-time cycle graph of all the axes, force accuracy plus/minus 2 ton, hydraulic linear motion filling shoe with speed and amplitude control, programmable afterpressing, release force that can be different from the compacting force in order to protect the product while ejection, touch screen control, graphic displays for pressing process, production monitoring, and fault diagnosis, programming by menu technique. The press has manufacturing pellet database. Using this database enables change and control of every feature in the production cycle. The press has the capability of finding zero position of all axes automatically. Statistical process control for automatic correction of press data in real time. Controlled punch adapter for shortening setup time. Robotic system for pickup, sorting, and weighing the pressed product. 98% yield in a plus/minus 30 milligrams weight tolerance.